The present petition under Section 482 CRPC has been filed by the petitioners, namely Shri Tarun Batra, Shri R.K. Batra, for quashing of FIR number 556/2013 dated 21st November 2013 under Section 498A 40634 IPC, registered at Police Station Kalkaji on the basis of a mediation report of the Delhi High Court Mediation and Conciliation Center, New Delhi. In view of the settlement arrived at between petitioners and respondent number 2, namely Ms. Dipti Sachdeva, on 26 May 2015. Learned Additional Public Prosecutor for Respondent State submitted that the respondent number 2 present in the court has been identified to be the complainant first informant of the FIR in question by her counsel. The factual matrix in brief of the present case is that the marriage was solemnized between Mr. Tarun Batra and respondent number 2 on 14th April 2011 according to the Hindu rites. It is the case of the complainant that the in-laws and husband of the complainant were dissatisfied with the dowry brought in by the complainant at the time of marriage and that they would torture her for the same. The complainant got lodged the complaint, following which the FIR in question was registered against the petitioners. During the pendency of the proceedings, the matter was settled between the accused persons and the respondent number 2. Respondent number 2 present in the court submitted that the dispute between the parties has been amicably resolved. As per the relevant terms of the mediation report, it is agreed that the respondent number 2 and Mr. Tarun Batra shall be dissolved by filing for divorce by mutual consent. It is agreed between the parties that the petitioners shall pay a sum of rupees 15 lakh to respondent number 2 in full and final settlement towards all her claims arising out of the marriage of respondent number 2 and Mr. Tarun Batra, which includes permanent alimony, dowry, articles, maintenance, past, present and future. It is agreed that the petitioners shall pay a sum of 5 lakh by means of a DD at the time of recording of the statement of the respondent number 2 in support of quashing of the FIR in question before this court. Respondent number 2 affirmed that contains of the aforesaid settlement and of her affidavit dated 18th April 2016 supporting this petition. In the affidavit, she has stated that she has no objection if the FIR in question is quashed. All the disputes and differences have been resolved through mutual consent. Now no dispute with petitioners survives, and so the proceedings arising out of the FIR in question be brought to an end. Statement of the respondent number 2 has been recorded in this regard, which she stated that she has entered into a compromise with the petitioners and settled all the disputes with them. She further stated that she has no objection if the FIR in question is quashed. In Gyan Singh versus State of Punjab 10 SCC 303, Apex Court has recognized the need of amicable resolution of disputes in cases like the instant one. In other words, the High Court must consider whether it would be unfair or contrary.